Hello, we're looking at lesson 6-6 and we're looking at problem 1. We're going to look at the multiplication counting principle to do problem 1. It says if there are m ways to find a first selection and n ways to find a second selection, then there are m times n ways to make two selections. So for example, if I have 5 shirts and 8 pair of shorts, the number of possible outcomes would be 5 times 8. So let's take a look at problem 1. It says, using the diagram below, how many ways are there to get from the first floor to the third floor using only escalators? Okay, so it says to look at the diagram, but I believe the diagram is a little misleading. So here I have my first floor, second floor, third floor. And it says the routes by escalators from the first floor to the second floor. So there are there's 2 routes from the first floor to the second floor. Routes by escalator from the second floor to the third floor. 1, 2, 3. So there's 1, 2 here, and then there's 1, 2, 3 here. So 2 times 3 will give me 6. So there are 6 possible ways to get from the first floor to the second floor using only escalators. Let's take a look at the guide now. It says a pizza shop offers 8 vegetable toppings and 6 meat toppings. How many different pieces can you order with 1 meat topping and 1 vegetable topping? Well, again, it's the same concept. I have 8 vegetables, 6 meat. So I will multiply 6 times 8, and I will get my answer, right? Okay, and so, oops, sorry, I was trying to make it the screen a little bigger. So that means 8 times 6 will give me 48 ways. All right, reason says, is a tree diagram a convenient way to find the answer to part A? Explain. Without even drawing it out, I'm going to have to say no, a tree diagram is not more convenient because I'm going to have 8, and then after I put 8, I have to put 6 on each 8. That would be way too big, so this would not be a convenient way. This multiplication counting principle is the best way. I hope this helps.